Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making bird nest cookies. These Easter cookies are made with chocolate and vanilla dough that is shaped like a bird's nest and decorated with melted chocolate and marshmallow candy eggs. They are cute and perfect for decorating a festive Easter table. To make the dough, we'll need all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, salt, sour cream, sugar, egg, and butter. All the ingredients need to be at room temperature, and the exact amount of ingredients can be found below this video. In a stand mixer bowl, combine the butter, sugar, and salt. Beat them together for about 1 minute. You can use a hand mixer instead of a stand mixer for this step. Scrape the sides of the bowl, add the egg, the sour cream, and mix for another 30 seconds. Combine the flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and sift them in the butter mixture. Run the mixture on low speed until the dough comes together. The dough should be soft and slightly sticky. Divide the dough into 3 pieces, slightly roll each piece and cover with plastic wrap. Refrigerate the dough for about an hour. To make the nest-shaped cookies, we'll need a food grinder attachment. Don't worry if you don't have one. Later, I'll show you how to make these cookies without it. It's best to use a grinder plate with the smallest holes. Place the piece of chilled dough in the grinder attachment and run the mixer on medium speed. The longer the dough streaks, the bigger the cookie will be. When you are satisfied with the length of the streaks, using a knife, carefully detach the dough from the attachment. Divide the streaks in 2 and form the nest-shaped cookies. Repeat the process with the rest of the dough. Place the cookies on the baking sheet covered with parchment paper or Teflon sheet. Using a small glass or a cap of water bottle, lightly press in the middle of each cookie to make an impression. Bake the cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes, then let them cool completely. The baked cookies are perfectly holding their shape and look just like a bird's nest. To make a vanilla version of these cookies, replace the cocoa powder with the same amount of all-purpose flour and add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Roll the dough into small balls and refrigerate for about an hour. The second way to make the nest-shaped cookies is to use a garlic press. Place the ball of dough into a garlic press and squeeze the dough. Keep adding the balls of dough and squeezing until you can make a nest-shaped cookie. This way it takes a little bit more time to make the cookies, but I'm sure that almost every household has a garlic press. Place the cookies on the baking sheet covered with parchment paper or Teflon sheet and using a small glass or a cap of a water bottle, lightly press in the middle of each cookie to make an impression. Bake the cookies at 350 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes, then let them cool completely. To decorate my bird nest cookies, I used melted chocolate and marshmallow candy eggs, which I showed you how to make in my last video. Just in case, I leave the link to that tutorial in the description box below, so you can check it out. In my opinion, the cookies turned out adorable and will definitely stand out on any festive Easter table. Let me know in the comment area below if you're going to make these cookies this upcoming Easter. I really hope that my video is useful to you and inspires you to make these bird nest cookies. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.